What if the future didn't need to be imagined anymore because you can actually buy it today? These future gadgets are available right now, designed to upgrade your life in ways that feel almost unreal. Smarter, faster, and built with next-level innovation, each one brings tomorrow into your hands. And trust me, the last gadget will completely change how you see technology. Number 1. What if you could see stress before you actually feel it and stop burnout before it begins? Meet the EGG HRV Patch, a smart wearable designed to track your body's signals and give you real-time awareness of how you're truly doing. The moment you apply it, it starts working quietly in the background. It monitors your heart rate variability, giving you a deeper understanding of your stress levels, recovery, and overall balance throughout the day. What makes the EGG HRV patch truly next level is how it turns data into insight. It doesn't just show numbers, it helps you understand when to slow down, when to push forward, and when your body needs a break. And the experience, subtle, continuous, and incredibly eye-opening. You're not guessing how you feel anymore, you actually know. Using it feels empowering and controlled. You stay ahead of stress instead of reacting to it. This isn't just a health tracker, it's a smarter way to manage your energy, where awareness helps you perform better and feel better every single day. Number 2. Meet Stackchan, a kawaii, co-created, open-source AI desktop robot that turns simple tech into something surprisingly human. The moment it powers on, it's more than just a gadget. It looks at you, responds to you, and brings a sense of presence to your workspace. It's small, playful, and instantly engaging. What makes Stackchan truly next level is its open-source nature. It's not just something you use, it's something you can shape. Developers, creators, and curious minds can customize its behavior, expand its abilities, and make it uniquely their own. And the experience, fun, interactive, and full of character. It's not sitting there quietly, it's reacting, expressing, and becoming part of your daily routine. Using it feels creative and personal. You're not just interacting with a device, you're building a connection with it. This isn't just a desktop robot, it's a glimpse into a future where technology becomes expressive, customizable, and truly alive in your everyday space. Number 3. What if your phone could move, track, and capture moments all on its own? Meet the Honor Robot Phone, a gimbal-stabilized device that turns everyday recording into something cinematic and effortless. The moment you set it up, it feels alive. It follows your movement, keeps you perfectly framed, and stabilizes every shot in real time, as if you have a personal camera operator built right into your phone. What makes it truly next level is that intelligent motion. It doesn't just sit still, it reacts, adjusts, and tracks you smoothly, whether you're walking, presenting, or creating content. Every frame feels steady, natural, and professional without extra equipment. And the experience, fluid, dynamic, and incredibly intuitive. You're not worrying about angles or shaky footage anymore. Everything is handled for you. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a smart filming companion, where AI and motion come together to redefine how you capture your world. Number 4. Meet the Samsung Premier 5. More than just a projector, it's a complete transformation of how you watch, play, and experience content. The moment you turn it on, your space changes. A massive, vivid display appears effortlessly, filling your room with sharp visuals and immersive depth that feels far beyond a typical screen. What makes it truly next level is how seamless it feels. No complicated setup, no limitations. Just place it, power it, and enjoy a premium viewing experience that adapts to your environment. And the experience? Smooth, powerful, and incredibly immersive. You're not just watching content anymore, you're stepping into it. Using it feels effortless and elevated. Every movie, every show, every moment feels bigger, clearer, and more engaging. This isn't just a projector, it's a smarter way to experience entertainment, where your entire space becomes the screen. Number 5. What if every idea you ever had could be captured the moment it appears? Meet Barry, the lightest AI second brain designed to record your thoughts, inspiration, and moments in just 1 second. The moment you use it, it feels effortless. No typing, no searching, just capture instantly before the idea fades. Whether it's a quick thought, a creative spark, or something important you don't want to forget, it's saved without breaking your flow. What makes Barry truly next level is how it thinks with you. It doesn't just store information, it organizes, connects, and makes it easy to revisit when you need it most. Your ideas don't disappear, they evolve. And the experience? Smooth, fast, and incredibly intuitive. You're not just trying to remember everything anymore, you're freeing your mind to think more. Using it feels powerful and creative. Every thought matters and nothing gets lost. This isn't just a note-taking device, it's a smarter extension of your mind where inspiration is captured, organized, and always within reach. Number 6. What if your home had a companion, one that could see, understand, and respond to you in real time? Meet the TCL Ai Me, an AI companion robot designed to bring intelligence, presence, and interaction into your everyday space. The moment it powers on, it feels alive. It moves, looks around, and reacts to you naturally, creating a sense of connection that goes beyond a typical device. It's not just sitting there, it's engaging with you. What makes Ai Me truly next level is how it understands context. It recognizes faces, follows interactions, and adapts to your environment, making every moment feel more personal and intuitive. And the experience? Smooth, interactive, and surprisingly human-like. You're not just using technology, you're communicating with it. Using it feels connected and effortless. Whether it's assisting, monitoring, or simply being present, it becomes part of your daily life without feeling intrusive. This isn't just a robot, it's a glimpse into a future where AI becomes a true companion, blending naturally into the way you live, interact, and connect. Number 7. What if your chess opponent could think, react, and challenge you like a real player sitting across the board? Meet the SenseRobot Chess Mini, an AI-powered chess robot designed to bring strategy, learning, and competition into one intelligent experience. The moment you start a game, it feels alive. It recognizes your moves instantly, responds with precision, and keeps the flow smooth as if you're playing against a human opponent who never loses focus. What makes it truly next level is how it adapts to you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, it adjusts its difficulty, helping you improve while still keeping the challenge real and engaging. And the experience? Immersive, interactive, and incredibly satisfying. You're not just playing chess, you're learning, evolving, and competing at a whole new level. Using it feels dynamic and rewarding. Every match becomes an opportunity to sharpen your skills and think deeper. This isn't just a chessboard, it's a smart training partner, where AI brings the game to life and helps you become a better player with every move. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.